What's up, guys? Hope you guys had a great new year. We got some really exciting news. We're giving away 2 memberships. They're each priced at $39.97 each. That's $8,000 in free services. And we're going to be announcing the winner on Tuesday, January 5th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys get on the live stream. We're going to be live on YouTube and we're going to pick a winner. You're going to see the whole thing go down. It's going to be completely random. So if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already entered this contest, here's how you do it. All you got to do is subscribe, comment on the video, and comment Fund and Grow. And then also share the video on your social media platforms. If you have Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is, make sure you share that on your social media platform and then comment Fund and Grow. And then we're gonna pick a winner completely randomly. And we're gonna literally be giving away 2 of our 12-month memberships that are each priced at $39.97. And that includes all of our done-for-you service. We're going to establish business credit for you guys for 12 months, up to $250,000. A lot of our clients get funding within the first 3 to 4 weeks. So this is an all-inclusive deal and it's completely free. So that's our way of giving back to the community. We know people have been having tough times right now with the pandemic, with COVID, businesses shutting down, all that stuff that's been going on. It's really hurting a lot of businesses. So this is our way of giving back. And if you guys, like I said, if you want to enter, subscribe, comment on the video, and share it on your social media platforms. Also, go to the link in the description if you want more information to register for our webinar. But guys, this is literally coming down to the wire. It's going to be Tuesday, January 5th at 3 p.m. We're going to pick the winner live, and it's going to be live on our YouTube channel. So make sure you set a reminder and join us then so that we can let you guys know if you're the lucky winner. But that's pretty much it. We just wanted to let you guys know about the drawing. We hope everyone had a happy and safe new year, and here's to an awesome 2021.